This is Sheldon Country Park, where you can see aeroplanes, you can see farm animals, and kids' play area. And the best thing is, it's all free. Hi, and today we are at Sheldon Country Park 2025. And this is the river.
Hi and welcome to our vlog.
Please do not feed the animals.
It's a great place for family day out. You can enjoy many things at the same place. My kids love these farm animals. They used to have more farm animals before, but now there are few cows and we only saw one horse. But still, they loved it. Noor saw these animals for the first time. These are donkeys. Noor was so excited to see these animals live. We went last year, but she was so tiny that time. You can see cows, and one horse is just there. Noor, where's the horsey? It's a beautiful sunny day. To see these animals close, you need to walk further and go to the other side of the farm. The other side of the farm is just by the play area where you park your car. We entered from the other side of the park. It's summer holidays, so you can see many families here. It's a nice play area. My kids loved this place. Noor's gonna enjoy the big slide for the first time. This is the other side of the farm. This is a swan. These are some chickens.
Guinea pig. Oh yeah, it's okay.
And guinea pig.
It's a guinea pig.
Noor was so excited to see guinea pig.
कितना cute है वैसे ये.
It's a hen chicken.
There's a big rooster.
Look at the big rooster. Mama, 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 mama,
Hi, Cluck Cluck. Now, let's see Piggy.
They have pigs here. We're just going to find pigs.
It's a pig. Oink, oink.
Doo doo.
Pig. Hi, Piggy. Piggy gone. Okay, these are the pigs.
We saw two pigs here, and my son said, "Mom, they don't look like Peppa Pig at all."
Okay. I've seen the pig for the first time.
When we came here last time, we didn't see the pigs. Noor made a friend here. She was walking with her friend all the time at home. There is picnic area just behind the farm with some benches. Some people are enjoying their picnic here, but we decided to have our picnic at Aeroplane viewing area. Noor is trying to climb and go to the chickens. And Arham is so happy and so excited as well. Entry to this farm is free, so if you have a big family or even small and you want a good day out for your kids, it's a very good place to visit. Noor is so good at climbing, and look, she's just trying her best to go to chicken. Arham is showing Noor turkeys.
Chicken jockey! Chicken jockey!
This is a nice play area where you can spend good time with kids. From play area, you have to walk towards Aeroplane viewing area.
And this is the way to go to the aeroplane view. You just go straight over there, and then we'll tell you how to go after this.
I think you need to take a turn.
Takami.
And here we go at Aeroplane viewing area.
Yeah, look.
Here we had our picnic. These airplanes look better live. Arham and Noor were so excited. All the kids there were so excited. It's me trying to capture these beautiful memories in my mobile. Arham was relaxing on the mat after picnic, and Noor was just collecting sticks, just walking around, playing with mud and enjoying these aeroplanes.
Nah, it's just turning.
After spending some time at Aeroplane viewing area, we just left for a play area. Hello. How you can take the water. We finished all the water we have and we just wanted to go and buy some water. Only Noor had some water. Make sure you have loads of water when you go there, especially at a hot day. It's a beautiful place to spend a good day here. You can find many good farms around, but the Aeroplane viewing area is something unique. After farm, we went to Bullring to buy some clothes for kids. There were good deals at Primark. I bought some clothes and just came back home around 9 p.m. Thank you so much for watching. Look after yourself and keep smiling. Bye.